we're going to be getting ready for Thanksgiving. We got our new cabinet over here, and I'm going to be working today on putting my table back together and getting my tablescape done for Thanksgiving. I'm also going to bring a Christmas tree in here and start decorating it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the little notifications bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. So come on and help me decorate.
So the first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to replace my dining room chairs with the upholstered chairs that I originally had at this table, but we have them downstairs in our game room right now. And then I'm gonna give the room a good cleaning. I have a vacuum cleaner that I like to vacuum the little crevices of the table and around the edges of the room. I know I do DIYs in here, so I get a lot of dust and glitter, so just giving it a good clean. Then we're gonna add my leaf to my table, only because we're gonna have some guests for Thanksgiving. Well, actually, we're gonna have a Friendsgiving. So I wanna make sure I have enough room at our table, so I wanna add that leaf in, even though I'm only gonna set a table of 4 for now, just to kind of keep it less cluttered. I want to make sure that it's in and I don't have to worry about doing it later. So this table runner I actually got at Target. I did not see any more at my Target. I've actually looked online for it and I don't see it online any longer either, but I did find a similar one on Amazon that I will link below. And then this is that DIY centerpiece that we put together, as well as these little elevated baskets, and I will also link all of these videos in the description below. I'm gonna fill the baskets with some real and fake pumpkins. These are the little real white pumpkins, and then I have a few of the dollar spot pumpkins that I'm just gonna put in the little baskets as well. And then I have the fabric pumpkin that I did a DIY for last year, which I can post my link for that. So these are those dollar store Christmas place settings. I know they have 3 different colors. I picked up the ivory one that has a little bit of shimmer. I'm gonna use them for both Thanksgiving and Christmas. That's what I liked about them. And as with anything at the Dollar Tree, make sure you get there early to pick up the Christmas stuff because it goes fast. Now these wooden charger plates also came from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to use those for both Thanksgiving and Christmas. And I'm also going to use these melamine pumpkin plates from the dollar store. Now I wish I could have found a couple more, however I think they're completely sold out. I did find these gray glass plates, which I'm going to use on top of the pumpkin plates, and these will be the actual plates that we serve our food on. And then these I found at Target Dollar Spot during Mother's Day this past year, but I love the burgundy color, so we're going to use those. And then I am also going to use my real silverware. This is a Mikasa Silverware. I will link these in the description below. You can get this same pattern off of Amazon. For my napkins, I'm going to use my real white cotton napkins. I'm not going to even bother ironing them out because I'm going to pair them with these paper holiday napkins, these Thanksgiving napkins that I purchased that have some really pretty colors in it. I'm just going to fold them, and then I'm going to take one of the paper napkins, put it on top, and fold them around, and then just stick my little silver napkin ring, which I will link those as well. I've had these for a few years. They kind of go with my silverware nicely, so it's kind of my go-to holiday napkin ring and silverware combo. But this is what I'm going to do for napkins. Just really like the combination of the paper and the real napkins. And then I'll put the remaining in the basket, bring back in all of my upholstered chairs. Now we're going to start working on the top of our new cabinet that we got off of Facebook, which I am in love with. I'm just going to put a few larger pieces up here to just take up some of this space. I found this really pretty plaque that has a tree on it at the Target Dollar Spot for $5. I think it's going to look really nice up here. And then I just have some other accessories. I have our gold K, and I'm also going to add some greenery. Now I want to incorporate the greenery because I want to leave this up through the holidays. I will just switch out some of the pieces. I'm also going to add some of these cedar picks right to my greenery just to fill it out a little bit. I also love that look of the cedar. I got these cedar picks from Hobby Lobby. However, I did see some similar ones on Amazon, so I will try to link those as well. Also, I am layering up some other pieces. I have just a hurricane glass with some raffia. This is another bottle of bourbon that I couldn't fit in our cabinet, which I really love the shape, so I want to put that up on the top up here. And then some more pumpkins just to kind of pull in that color from my dining room table. And again, I like to elevate them up on little stands like this, just so that they show up over that greenery. I also like the pop of white that the stands have. They're just milk glass stands. And then I'm just adding some more random pumpkins. I have this really cute fabric pumpkin from Target, and I also have these little Target dollar spot pumpkins that match the pumpkins on my table. Also, I'm gonna add some little Twinkle Lights. These are actually the plug-in ones. I'm just gonna apply them right to the greenery, kind of intertwine them, and I will go ahead and plug those in the back of my cabinet so you don't really see the plug because the plug will be hidden. I'm also adding some of the battery operated Twinkle Lights from the Target dollar spot. These were $3. I really liked the shape of them, and I'm just going to stick them in my centerpiece here just to kind of give it a little bit more pop. So I'm bringing in this antique chest that I had in my formal living room. I'm gonna add my Christmas tree on top of it. Now this is a 5-foot flocked Christmas tree. It's on sale right now on Amazon for $55. I will link that. It's a really, really nice tree. But I wanted it to sit up a little higher. That's why I'm placing it up on top of my chest. Now to decorate this tree, I'm going to use all elements that are going to work well with both my Thanksgiving and Christmas decor. I have this pine cone and cotton swag or garland that I'm going to start out with, as well as these stems that have the cotton and these like sticks, woodland sticks, and I've used these in my trees in the past. We're going to just stick those randomly in the tree so that they poke out a little bit. I'm also going to be incorporating some of these spruce and pine cone picks. I really like the color mixed in with the flocking. I have two types of ribbon I'm going to use. I have this 6-inch burlap ribbon and this burgundy wired ribbon. I'm going to combine them like this and just kind of stick them into the tree in these little loops and just swag them all the way down the tree in multiple little layers. So I don't know what happened, but I lost some of the footage of the actual decorating of the Christmas tree here in my dining room, but I'm gonna go over just the elements that I know I skipped. First of all, I have these really pretty Queen Anne's lace. They're those wine colored ones from Dollar Tree. I have, I think, 8 different picks just scattered throughout the tree. I really love that extra little pop of color that those give. I also have this white beaded garland that I strung around the tree. I think I was able to do about 3 different loops around the tree. I just think it looks so pretty. I love that kind of like farmhouse style rustic look to them, and it goes really nice in my dining room with all of the other like pops of white that I have going on, like in the napkins and the little milk glass above the cabinets. Then I also did these really pretty glass bulbs. Now if you want a different option to hang bulbs on your Christmas tree, I had this really pretty velvet gold lined ribbon and these little burgundy colored or wine colored glass balls. Now instead of putting them in like a hook and hanging them on, I actually used the ribbon tie from the little bows and I strung that right through the hook. I used the little ribbon ties itself just to attach it to the tree. I think they look really cute with just the little gold ribbons attached to the bulbs. I also scattered some of the smaller little bulbs just throughout the tree, as well as these burgundy and gold ornaments. I don't have too many ornaments on the tree. Like I said, I wanted to just incorporate a lot of those fall colors that I have in my centerpiece here, and I think it goes really nice. I still have that kind of Thanksgiving feel, but it's also very festive for Christmas. Now I used these battery operated candles that came from Walmart. I think they were 98 cents a piece, and some of these little wooden clothespins or clothes hangers. I'm just gonna hot glue these right to the side of my little battery operated candle, and then we're just gonna stick them right on the tree. Now these are perfect to replace Twinkle Lights, and I think it gives it a little bit more of like an old-fashioned feel, which is kind of what I was going for. And I'm gonna save these little bottoms to the candles for another DIY I'm gonna do later. And lastly, we're gonna put together a little drink station using that 2-tiered stand I did a DIY for. I will link that DIY in the description below. And just a few other elements that I've used on my table setting. Found these cute little Target dollar spot mugs, which I'm gonna put some little Starbucks pumpkin spice latte packets as well as some hot cocoa packets in. And I'm also gonna just use some more of these paper napkins that match with the napkins on my place settings at my dining room table, just cutting a little hole in the top center so that way I can stick that top portion of the stand right through. And then I'm just gonna arrange the little drink packets in the mugs wherever I think looks good. I end up moving things around 100 times. I'm also using this little plastic napkin holder, which I hot glued some greenery to. That came from the dollar store. And I'm also putting some of this gold plastic silverware in another little mug, just so you can grab a spoon or whatever. I like to have this out when I have guests over for especially dessert. I know a lot of times we'll have like a hot drink or something with dessert. And then I'm just adding in a few elements to decorate the stand, some glass pumpkins, some little pieces of greenery. I have a lot of little clippings of greenery that I've just saved and kept aside. So I'm just gonna stick these randomly throughout this little tray just to finish it off. And I'm gonna use 2 of these little farmhouse signs just to finish off the tray. Well, here is my finished dining room all ready for Thanksgiving. Again, I wanted to keep it somewhat simple, so I didn't set a full table service for 8 people, which I'm guessing we'll have for our Friendsgiving. But I love how it turned out. Just really, I love the colors. I love the pops of burgundy. All of the little pieces that I incorporated, a majority of them came from the Dollar Tree, so I was able to do this entire look on a budget. I really like to reuse pieces that I've used before, and yeah, I just think it came out really, really nice this year. I'm just super happy about it. I also added a few candles that I got from the dollar store. The dollar store has some really nice candles right now. I don't typically buy candles from the dollar store, but for like a table setting like this where I'm going to be just, you know, using them during a special occasion, I will pick up a few just to have on hand. But anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that I am really excited to work on the rest of my house, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stick around for more videos to come. Have a great day.